Hey guys, Nick here, making this caliper mount for the rear of this motorized bicycle. This is the fourth attempt of making a video making this, and somehow it keeps cutting out or whatever. But what I did is, to fill you in, is this used to be this crossbar for these handlebars. I stripped the paint off of it, marked the center hole, drilled it, and then put it up there, and then with a Sharpie, pretend this is a Sharpie, I marked the angles a little bit beyond the mark, so I had room to grind it down if I needed to, and I did, to make it fit exactly where I wanted it. I didn't want it down too far, and I didn't want it up to where the original one was. I just need to move it down a little bit. So now I'm getting ready to weld this in, and I'm not going to pause this video as I get set up, because that seems to be where the problem is. So we'll try doing this again. Yep, shoddy camera work. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and get this where I want it to be. Make sure that the fender is the same gap on each side, and it is. Alright, and I'm going to go ahead and tack it in. Now when I have it tacked, I'm going to try the caliper. Oh, and the tacks broke on me, of course. See if I can get it tacked back up. Okay. Now I'm going to try my brake pad on there. And if it's good on that side, I noticed that the camera moved. I apologize. and it fits good on that side. One tip I'm going to share is I don't use these, I use lock nuts. Because with it being two-stroke and a vibrating, I don't want brake pads to vibrate loose. So that's pretty much it. I mean, the movement was very little. Like the mount was right up here, and I just moved it down that little bit just to make room for the brake pad to fit. So I got a little bit of time. And I got the saws all out. Gonna go ahead and cut this tube, get rid of it. And in case I forget to say after I'm done cutting it, I'm gonna cut it here, I'm gonna cut it there, and then I'm gonna have a little bit of bar left over, and I'm gonna grind that smooth there and there, and then I'm gonna, in another video, make the new bar to go across the top. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this real quick and then let you go. Yeah, I'm not a camera guy, so I apologize. Try to get this set up. Now you don't need a sawzall to do this. You can do it with a cut-off wheel, even a hacksaw, I guess. But if you're gonna grind down the old shit off the frame, you're gonna need an angle grinder anyways. You might as well get some cut-off wheels. You can get cheap grinders at like Harbor Freight for like $15. Always make sure your saws and your power tools are plugged in. Goodbye. Now a lot of people on the forums or the groups that I'm a part of, they'll just leave this and put the motor on top of this and call it good. I don't. So that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go ahead and get that ground down and get it all cleaned up. And next video, putting the new bar in. I don't know if I'm gonna show you bending it. I might. Maybe I will, but it's pretty straightforward. Now I don't have to bend that if I don't want to. I could come just straight across. But well, I got the bender. I might as well put a little bit of a bend in it just to, follow everything. So that's what I'll do next time I'm with you guys. But I'm gonna get this cleaned up and I'm gonna go to bed. Thanks for watching.